Non-auditory effects are not very common in relation to environmental noise, as the sound levels are usually under 80 decibels. But noise generates other non-auditory effects.
For example, difficulties in falling asleep and awakenings are common effects that we have all experienced. Other effects are not so obvious, but in presence of noise, our sleep quality becomes poorer.
In both cases, our sleep quality and our rest become affected, and that can generate other effects.
The World Health Organization alerts about cardiovascular and psychophysiological effects, and changes in social behavior.
Several investigations have revealed the relation between traffic noise exposure and cardiovascular or respiratory diseases.
And adverse birth outcomes.
And of course, we can't forget annoyance.
As a conclusion, environmental noise impacts our health and our welfare.
And our economy.